morning, everyone. So it's good. It's Friday today, and I'm taking the train. And my kuya is also taking the train over there. He is going to school. So maulan po today. It's a rainy Friday, and I'm excited because it's Friday. And I'm going to run in Parkal tonight. And the family will fetch me in Parkal after running. And aside from that, Kuya DM will visit me in the office later after school. So that's gonna be so cool. Hi, Kuya! It's Kuya DM. Oh no! Iwalay pala tayo, Kuya DM. Kuya! Bye, Kuya! So we're just waiting for our train.